Welcome to Our Sweet Home Life. Mojo and I are on a little walk today, and up here is a bird sanctuary. But look at this greenery here in the forest. Not sure what you call these plants, but aren't they pretty? That looks sort of like an azalea. No, it doesn't. What does this look like? This is some kind of oak. I'm sorry. That's an oak.
I believe that right there is a that is a holly. Wow, holly there.
Oh, it is
an oak. It's oak. Yeah, maybe.
I think it's a holly and an oak.
Yeah, some of it's mixed together.
See the red berries?
That's holly berries.
And holly.
You've heard of the holly berries at Christmas time.
Look at that.
And that's an oak.
An oak right there.
But see, that's a different tree than the.
Yeah.
And this is the oak leaf.
Yeah. So you got several different things going on right there together.
Yeah. And these are not, I don't know, these are kind of this area. I don't know exactly. They grow here along the coastal area.
Yeah.
But different vegetation.
Right. Different vegetation. It's very pretty. And look, this is sort of like a fern.
It's kind of like this area. You may not realize this, but moss don't grow in the trees up where we live. Just only along the coastal area.
Right.
Deep south of.
And here's a fan palm. These are just all growing wild. There's a fan palm out there. And here's some little, I'm not sure what kind of flowers these are.
Looks in the, no, I was going to say the,
daisy.
Yeah, maybe
in daisy. And look, this looks sort of like baby's breath growing here. Doesn't that remind you of baby's breath? Don't know what it is.
That kind of looks like lantana to me over there.
And look at this. Not sure what this is. But look at it. It blooms out and it's fuzzy. Brown and fuzzy. Do any of y'all know any of these plants? Because I'm not familiar with these. We're not from this area. We're from central Alabama. And here's some more fan palms. Listen. Where is it?
Mockingbird folk.
Did y'all hear the bird? I don't see him, but I hear him.
There's a good picture of it.
Where?
That's there.
I don't know if y'all can see him or not. I don't have my glasses on. But he's in there singing. Mojo says he thinks it's a mockingbird. But anyway, we're going up here to the Bird Sanctuary. So come join us on our walk today.
There's a lot of birders coming down this time of the year. Bird watching. Look at the aloe.
An aloe is what it looks like to me. A big, huge aloe.
Sago palm.
Yeah, right there, sago palm. And don't know what that is, but look how big it is.
Aloe.
Sort of an aloe, I suppose. And that tree over there.
Looks like the house is empty.
Yeah. That tree looks like it's in bloom, but it's really not. It's just a light green. Huh. I'm not sure what kind of tree that is.
Kind of looks like a eucalyptus.
It does look like that, and that's exactly what I was thinking. Don't know if it is or not, but maybe it is. I think it is. Look at the foliage. Doesn't that look like a eucalyptus tree? Huh, the foliage does. And look at the trunk.
Looks like eucalyptus.
It does. The foliage
give it the
does.
smell test, guys.
Give it the smell test.
It is a eucalyptus tree. Smells like eucalyptus. Is like it.
It is. That's what it is. And look at this little bush here. I'm not sure what this is.
Not sure either.
That's kind of neat. If y'all know what any of these plants are,
There's cedar.
please let us know in the comments and look at the cedar tree. There's a lot of cedars in the south. And there's a big palm. And right here, this is what you call it. They make cane poles out of it. What is that called?
Bamboo?
Bamboo. There's a thicket of bamboo.
Yeah, it is bamboo, isn't
It is. Bamboo. Bamboo.
it? There's bamboo.
Let's stick this camera through here, this little woodsy. But look at the woods through there.
Look
the
at the
woods.
bamboo.
There's some magnolia trees in there.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Show them the bamboo here.
And there's the bamboo.
Stick the bamboo out, guys. Like that.
Yeah, that's the bamboo.
Bamboo.
So we're going to be walking through the bird sanctuary. Look at that tree with the swing in it. For a child. Childhood memories made in that swing.
All the childhood.
Oh, look at that big Osage palm. That's a big one. Just enjoy looking at the different kind of foliage that we don't have at home. But look at that. Look at that palm. Isn't that beautiful? Let me take a picture of that. Okay, guys, we're entering the sanctuary, the bird sanctuary. So let's go check it out and see if we see any birds. You know what this road reminds me of, Mark?
The South Carolina Road.
Maybe, but I wasn't thinking that. Run, Forrest, run.
Oh, run, Forrest. Run, Forrest.
Oh.
That's on another video, guys.
Yeah. Y'all have to check that one out. Because we did go check out some of the Forrest Gump inspiration. You'll have to check it out. So help us listen. And see if there's any birds. There's a butterfly. Did you see the butterfly? I don't think y'all can see it, but there is a butterfly up there. Oh, aren't those beautiful? Those are really beautiful. Those little yellow plumes. Look at the sign up there. It says danger. Can I see that sign? Alligators present. Stay back from water's edge. Do not leave children or pets unattended. Danger. Check it out. We'll have to look for the alligator while we're here. Mojo says that is a hackleberry. A what?
Sparkleberry.
Oh, a sparkleberry. A sparkleberry tree. Huh. Never heard of that. Mojo's talking to the bird. I don't see him, but it's probably out there in one of those trees. Oh, I see a squirrel. Do you see the squirrel? See the squirrel? There's a squirrel. See his tail. Okay, guys. We're coming up to a crosswalk. Should I turn to the right or should I go straight? What do y'all think? Let's check it out over here. See a sign over here. Oh, okay. So if you go to the right, the boardwalk ends. And they had a fire here a couple years ago and burned a lot of the brush. But I believe Mojo went straight, so we'll go on straight on the boardwalk. Listen, listen. I hear some birds, but I don't see any. Oh, there's one right over here. Oh, I see a squirrel. I see a squirrel right here. See him over there. That's a squirrel. Huh? Mojo's a calling. Oh, here's the lake. That might be where the gator's at. Let's go see if we can find the gator. Oh, there's a bird up there. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see the bird? And there's a nest. Mojo says there's something out here, guys. Right off the beard, Mojo said. Oh, there he is. There he is. He's waiting on you. There's his head. There he is. Where? Mojo says there's another one out here. Do you see him? Yeah. I guess he's asleep or else he's watching us one. You think he's watching us? See if we see another one out there. Mojo said he saw another one, but I don't see another one. Do you see another gator? Do you see another gator? Where? Where? Yeah. Probably them bugs, isn't it? Turtle. Maybe. Where? Where's he at? I don't see him. Oh, there's something jumped out there. By the lily pads. Mojo said there's another gator out there, but I don't see him. Something jumped. You see anything else down there? Oh, yes, there's something right over there. What was that? There's some dragonflies. They're pretty. I don't think they'll show up on camera, but they are very pretty. Anything under that bridge? Do y'all see any boogers under the bridge? Don't know what's in this water. Anything along that shoreline over there? So there's supposed to be pond turtles. Don't feed the alligators. Softshell turtles. Bluegill.
You saw him, didn't you? Yeah, you saw that old sneaky thing there. Jump. Pads are splashing. Yeah, there's a turtle. There's one I'm seeing. Good job. There's a lot of wildlife in that pond. Look at the old gator now. He's coming on up a little higher in the water. He says he's hungry, ready to eat. He's a real gator. haven't seen a gator out in the wild in a while, have we, Fonda? Been a little while since we saw a gator. We saw a big gator down there on our canoe, our kayak trip. Make sure you get a chance to see that gator. He was about 15 feet long. He was a big one. I don't know. That one looks like he might be 6 feet. He's probably a 6-footer. Dark, murky water. I guess this is brackish water. I don't think it's actually salt water. I think it's a brackish. Okay, you about ready to head back? We do thank you for the watching, and so you got to come along and see a gator today with us. We're going to let him go, let him get a little rest because he's about ready to eat dinner. We're not going to disturb his snack time. Thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life, guys. Now, I should ask you, let me ask you, who else takes you to find gators on a gator hunt but Our Sweet Home Life? Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, subscribe to our channels and share it, guys. See you next time on Our Adventures.